Meet Chris, a heavy-duty fleet manager controlling over 100 vehicles. He ensures his filters are replaced on a regular schedule, even if not needed. But he's still plagued with unplanned downtime. Well, Chris, meet Senzit, a predictive maintenance solution built to save time and money by eliminating the guesswork. With a simple plug-and-play install, get back to using your equipment like you normally do. Behind the scenes, Senzit will carefully monitor your asset's filter health, engine hours, location, and more, with state-of-the-art sensors powered by artificial intelligence. When something needs your attention, Senzit will let you know ahead of time. Senzit provides you a simple platform to view the health of your entire fleet alongside personalized insights for specific equipment. Spend less time and money replacing your filters and make unplanned downtime a thing of the past. Senzit. Operate intelligently. Learn more at Senzit.io.